Assalamualaikum ji, welcome back to another episode of Kya Kahega Kazi. My guest today was Gul Zaib. Gul is a 54-year-old teacher of media studies at Karachi Grammar School. She is also employed in the digital content creation sector with Thili. We get to speaking about what it is that anchors a creative person in their craft, about students and how they've coped with the pandemic, with the lockdown, with online learning, about why it is that we as in Pakistanis prefer foreign content as opposed to content that is locally produced. And we spoke about the dimensions of women empowerment and of the attitudes that some people might have against an empowered woman. Enjoy. Watched one before, right?
I watched a lot of them.
Okay, right.
3 to 1.
Yeah. Okay, right. 3, 2, 1. Gul Zaib, how you doing, Gul?
I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah, we were speaking about quite a few things. Some of the things that you can't talk about on a podcast.
Yes.
Right? So we can't talk about them. And we're speaking about my first fan,
Yes.
which is alhamdulillah अभी तक तो मतलब इतना अरसा नहीं हुआ है,
Yeah.
लेकिन रहा है मेरे साथ
रहेगा.
इंशाल्लाह.
बच्चों को भी मिलेगा.
देखते हैं. I don't know what's going to happen. Like from yesterday, मतलब लाइटें चली गई थी पूरे पाकिस्तान की. What do you know what's going to happen? नहीं.
Yeah.
नहीं. How are you doing?
I am very well. How are
Yeah.
you?
I'm all right, alhamdulillah. क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में आजकल? Besides being the boss for Thili. See, artful again. ये skill है ये, माशाल्लाह से.
So I think theory takes up a lot of my life.
As it would.
I am a sad person. तो हमने अभी अपनी एक वेब सीरीज़ रिलीज़ की है इस फ्राइडे 8 जैन को. उसकी पहली एपिसोड आई है. So बस मैं फिर यूट्यूब पे उसके नंबर्स देख रही होती हूँ बार-बार
Oh, you're
रिफ्रेश
not supposed to
करके.
do that. That's very bad for you.
I'm new to this clearly, so I haven't stopped doing it. I just keep on doing it. फिर मैं एक पेज से थक जाती हूँ तो मैं कोई दूसरा ग्राफ देखती हूँ कि ओह अच्छा this line is increasing, let's look at this now. So that's going well. जाहिर सी बात है 2-4 दिन हुए हैं तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा obsess कर रहे हैं. वो चल रहा है. School has resumed. I had my so second term has started.
I did not know that you teach.
Yes,
So what do you
yes.
teach?
I teach media studies at an A-level school.
How surprising. I don't know.
So
Sure.
I think some people expect something else because they don't know कि media studies A levels में offer किया जाता है.
मुझे नहीं पता था.
Yeah. So they expect something like English literature. तो उनको फिर होता है कि अच्छा media studies भी होता है. So
Are you at liberty to say which school?
yeah, Karachi Grammar.
Whoa. All right, that's big. That's a big deal. You know, because students तो खैर वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे ही होते हैं, लेकिन even the teachers they don't take very lightly. किसी को भी नहीं hire कर लेते वो.
हाँ. So apparently I have this problem in not understanding how big a certain situation might be.
अच्छा.
तो
Oh.
मैंने तो बहुत बाद में जाके सीखा कि ओ अच्छा this is like a name dropping flex
Sure.
level.
Sure. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I teach at the Karachi Grammar School. I would, yeah. चले कोई
हाँ
बात
तो
नहीं.
हम
नहीं
इसको
करें आप.
जेनेरिक कर देते हैं कि ए लेवल स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं ताकि हाँ आई डोंट नो आई yeah that works more for me so I'm like हाँ
It's
ए
good.
लेवल स्कूल में पढ़ाते
It's
हैं.
good. And then do you also tell people you work for a media company?
I tell them कि I work for a digital channel called Thili. तो वो I think that is my way of making it as
As unassuming, as understated. I
Yes.
think understatement is it's a skill you need to develop.
yeah, I think I'm just overcoming my awkwardness, perhaps. And maybe we can just like slate it to a skill.
A skill, yes, of course. So school resumed. What are your thoughts about it and how is it going? Are the kids matlab coming back? They're not kids. A levels में बच्चे तो नहीं थे.
नहीं 16 से 18 साल के बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ तो वो I think at least they also don't call themselves kids.
No, they would not,
हाँ.
obviously.
Sometimes they're very childish. बहुत
Sometimes I'm very childish.
yeah, so I guess it's not because of number like your age or
No,
your
they're
years.
not going to grow up from
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
This is it.
So हम अभी भी online पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Right.
Yeah, so all of our classes are online. we do, because media studies और arts और practicals जो होते हैं chemistry और उनके वो थोड़ी सी special classes होती हैं, so we might be going in on Saturday for in-person sessions, which is always like stressful कि oh अच्छा meeting 20 students that you don't know where they are, where they have been, but they also don't know where I have been. So
Sure. You've been doing more traveling possibly.
ये अलग बात है कि मैं घर जाती हूँ और दफ्तर जाती हूँ और फिर मैं वापस घर जाती हूँ और फिर मैं वापस दफ्तर जाती हूँ, so I can just tell people कि no, like a legit uncool person, I'm not doing anything.
You're a proper teacher then, huh? Because we always used to assume, I don't know, matlab, when I was in A-levels, I always assumed like my teachers were just lame, even though they were really cool. They were really, really cool.
So I think after I became a teacher, and I've been teaching for 4 years, and
Mashallah.
interestingly also my last year, because after my recent transition at work, I think it's just going to be too much.
Sure. It's a bit and a half.
But I discovered that teachers, हम लोग समझते थे, at least हम लोग समझते थे कि बहुत ही bland से होते हैं. But when I look at my colleagues at work, I'm like, oh no, like colorful lives,
Yeah.
very interesting,
Yeah.
very cool.
Sure.
So they might perhaps, like when they're giving their lectures, they might come across as like
Well,
boring.
they have to be up. You will attest to this more than me. मैंने थोड़ी सी writing पढ़ाई है, लेकिन वो भी अभी नहीं. मैंने जब छोटा था तब पढ़ाई थी. You have to make it generic ना, क्योंकि हर किसी का skill level same नहीं होता है. Like if you and I were in the same class, I'm getting stuff like way later than you. एक मैं मिसाल दे रहा हूँ, राइट, एंड यू आर पिकिंग स्टफ अप फास्ट. अब टीचर नीड्स टू बी ऑब्जेक्टिव कि यार अब काजी को भी फेल तो नहीं कर सकते ना.
Yeah.
तो सो आई सपोज दैट्स व्हाई.
But I think फिर वो चूँकि जाहिर सी बात है, एक टीचर जांच भी सकता है कि किस बच्चे को समझ आ रहा है, किस बच्चे को नहीं समझ आ रहा है. एंड रिसेंटली a cousin told me कि so there was a discussion online happening about the O-level school that I went to, or like this school that I went to. I went to Maha Parsi Girls Secondary School for 11 years.
Jeez, what were your grades?
5 A's बुरे थे.
5.
नहीं तो हमारी कज़न के जो हैं वो स्ट्रेट एज थे, तो 5 A's जो है
स्ट्रेट होते हैं 11.
हाँ, so 5 A's is
Ridiculous.
मतलब तौहीन है कि क्या
जी.
क्या आपने स्कूल जाके.
You won't even bother asking me my grades, no? Don't.
वो रिएक्शन से मुझे थोड़ा सा महसूस हुआ था कि शायद 5 ही हैं. 8?
एक इंग्लिश में.
नाइस.
एक बी था इस्लामियात में, बाकी सारे सीज थे.
That's fine.
He didn't, हाँ. उस वक्त तो मैं बड़ा चौड़े में घूमता था. हाँ तो क्या हुआ? I'm cool.
Yeah.
Sure.
Like 11 A's भी कौन लाता है? You know, like
Someone who doesn't have a life, clearly.
Rabia, if you're listening.
I'm sorry, Rabia.
So उस पे चल रही थी बात कि how teachers favorite some certain students.
ठीक है.
और हमें लगा कि नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं होता था. So I was talking to Rabia, who's uncool according to Qazi.
Yes.
और उसने कहा कि you know another person reached out to her और उसने कहा कि टीचर्स देखो फोकस करते थे उन्हीं बच्चों पे जो बेहतर परफॉर्म करते थे या फिर उनमें पोटेंशियल दिखता था.
Sure, okay.
Now perhaps maybe because we were on that side of the spectrum, हमें लगता था कि टीचर्स हमें प्रेफर नहीं कर रहे हैं. That is how all teachers are. Very supportive, very encouraging, giving you a lot of attention.
सही.
But maybe those students who are on the other side of the spectrum, जिनको attention नहीं मिल रही थी,
That's very interesting. Sure.
right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
After hearing that, I was like, okay, so we need to make an extra effort to pay attention to those students जो खामोश रहते हैं, जो शायद struggle कर रहे हों, जिनको बात समझ नहीं आ रही है. So yeah, and I have this rule कि बच्चा 10 दफ़ा भी पूछेगा, so I will answer that question. उसने चाहे जितनी भी बदतमीज़ी क्यों ना की भी हो उस दिन, if they are struggling with a concept, you have to explain it to them 20 times, because clearly you are the problem. अगर उसको 19 दफ़ा के बाद भी 20वीं दफ़ा पूछना पड़ रहा है, तो या तो डिफरेंट अल्फाज यूज़ करें या तो डिफरेंट तरीके से इसको एक्सप्लेन करें.
Sure. पता नहीं. I struggle with that, right? So I struggle with that because मैं जो हूँ ना थोड़ा इस मामले में I don't know, even back then मुझे अगर कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ आता था या even यूनिवर्सिटी में मैं इसको अपनी नायाली समझता था. होता था I'm not trying hard enough. It's not incumbent upon the teacher to work hard to explain something to me. टीचर अपना काम करेगा, ओके करेंगी, एंड आई विल हैव टू वर्क एक्स्ट्रा हार्ड. पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा. आई फेल्ट लाइक क्योंकि इस जनरेशन में विच वी आर नॉट नाउ अ पार्ट ऑफ द जनरेशन दैट इज योर स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ी इंटाइटलमेंट ज़्यादा आ गई है.
है,
थोड़ी रद्दी बराबर
बिल्कुल
हाँ.
है. हम we had an online PTM, parent teacher meeting. उसके अंदर अब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ये भी होता है कि बच्चे कैमरा ऑन नहीं करते हैं अपना. अच्छा ठीक है, सही है. तो शुरू में तो मुझे लगा कि हमारा इंटरफेस सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकता है more than 10 विंडोज़ एट द सेम टाइम या क्या. तो आई थॉट इट वाज माय प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन देन क्लियरली एक दिन आई हैड टू चेक समथिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक कैन यू स्विच ऑन योर कैमराज, और वो सबके कैमराज खुल गए थे. आई वाज लाइक अच्छा दिस इज़ पॉसिबल, क्योंकि फिर वो थैंक यूज़ और घोस्ट चैलेंजेस जो सारे हो रहे थे, सबके कैमराज खुल रहे थे उस वक्त. क्लियरली पॉसिबल. तो जब क्लास एंड होती है तो अब 2 बच्चे हैं, वो क्लास छोड़ने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे हैं क्योंकि वो सो रहे हैं.
Of course,
Right?
of course.
तो फिर अगली क्लास में उनको मैंने कहा कि इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक डू दिस, बी एटलीस्ट स्मार्ट अबाउट इट. क्लास ख़त्म होने से 5 मिनट पहले अलार्म लगाओ, उठो एंड देन लाइक लीव द क्लास, अदरवाइज आई विल डिस्कवर दैट यू आर स्लीपिंग इन क्लास. तो ये वाली बातचीत, और फिर 1-2 और जो टेस्ट स्कोर्स वो सारे हमने जब उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस किए ऑनलाइन, तो this has happened to me in like for the first time in 4 years, where a student like outright just refused that none of that had ever happened.
Oh, just lied.
Yeah. And I was और वो उसने इतने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ जो है हर चीज़ को मना किया है कि no miss, this never happened, no miss, I was here, this, that, the other. And वो तो I loop in my HOD into everything. I take pictures and screenshots of my laptop and people don't leave the classroom because I'm sure you don't love my class that much. And then you're also not talking on top of that.
Sure.
तो बट वो है एक entitlement, I guess. वो एक है is disrespect the word? I don't know, but it's not the same relationship that we had with our teachers.
Absolutely, 100% not. And I was reading this book, which I do sometimes.
I have heard in your podcast.
Rarely
yes.
do I read a book, Allah Rehm Kare, and I try कि मैं पढूं. You should read. It's called Death of Expertise by Tom Nichols. Death of Expertise, a brilliant book about hyper individualism and why people think कि एक undergraduate past बंदा अपने आप को एक PhD के बराबर क्यों समझना शुरू हो जाता है, and so on and so forth. It's very interesting, right? तो उसमें वो बोलता है कि now is the generation of not even helicopter piloting. It's about close tactical air support. Like they're not even helicopters anymore. They're jets. They're fighter jets protecting their kids. So I say that to ask you, PTM में कभी आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि हमारे बच्चे के इतने कम मार्क्स आ गए, थोड़े आप ज़्यादा देने चाहिए आपको, या आपने गलत किया, समझाया नहीं, ऐसा कुछ हुआ आपके साथ?
नहीं. So in the I think the very first PTM that I attended, उसमें 2 पेरेंट्स ने मुझसे very rightfully so, क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है उस वक्त और फिर 4 साल कम उम्र थी, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि एक ने मुझसे पूछा कि is this your first time teaching, and I was like in the middle of just saying nice things about their child, but they felt the need to interrupt and ask, okay, is this your first time teaching? The second parent was asked, okay, what makes you qualified to teach this course? And then I listed down what makes me qualified. तो फिर उन्होंने कहा नहीं मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I was like नहीं यही मतलब था. अभी recently हुआ था where I just told a parent कि maybe she could have not said this. मैंने एक सवाल पूछा and the first thing this child said was is I don't remember. जिस पे I think मेरी थोड़ी सी annoyance इसलिए हुई थी क्योंकि in every lesson after every 5 minutes I ask you, is this clear? Online learning is difficult.
Yes,
आवाज़ नहीं आ रही होती, नींद आ रही होती है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा होता. So I think वो 2-3 चीज़ें हुई थी उसी क्लास में एक साथ, and I got annoyed and I kicked her out of class.
Oh, wow.
I mean, why not?
Sure.
Like you don't do homework, I kick you out of class. And it's still possible because you can make people leave con calls, right?
No. The logistics is not my problem here. The act of kicking someone out is. चलो ठीक है.
हम तो physically भी करते थे कि ठीक है सही homework नहीं किया जाओ. Yeah.
Right.
Because एक तो homework आपका है film देखना.
All right.
मैं आपसे कोई ब्रिज नहीं बनवा रही, कोई कब्र नहीं खुदवा रही. कोई किताब नहीं पढ़वा रही, मैं तो आपको कह रही हूँ कि बस फिल्म देख कर आ जाओ
हाँ
एक।
मूवी देख लो एक हाँ
और मैं कौन सी ब्लैक एंड वाइट फिल्म आपको बोल रही हूँ देखने के लिए?
वो which one did you ask them to watch?
So I would tell them to watch films from the past 5 years.
Oh that's what
Yeah.
okay.
और फिर the very first year when I started teaching, this kid was like, "Oh miss, are you telling us to illegally download films?" तो I was like, अच्छा ठीक है सही, हम illegally download नहीं कर रहे, हम Netflix से जो देख सकते हैं हम देख रहे हैं. एंड द बोर्ड itself वो कहता है कि प्रेजेंट ईयर से 5 साल पहले तक आपको जो है फिल्म्स डिस्कस करनी है. सो यू नो लाइक फेयरली ईजी टू वॉच एनीथिंग ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. एंड किड्स आर लाइक वॉचिंग फिल्म्स एंड कंज्यूमिंग कंटेंट ऑल द टाइम. तो अगर आप उसमें भी एक जो है फिल्म अपने होमवर्क के तौर पे नहीं देख सकते,
हाँ तो फिर शायद निकल जाओ क्लास से.
है ना?
हाँ सही.
तो सो आई जस्ट हैड दिस वन पेरेंट हु वेरी पॉइंटेडली सेड कि अच्छा फिर इसको क्या जवाब देना चाहिए था. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज वन क्वेश्चन आई वाज़न्ट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर, बिकॉज I just thought a child would know how to answer better. But that was my learning as well, that if something had annoyed me, perhaps,
Sure.
you know, a child would be,
Sure,
of
yeah,
course,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
But I think it's always the tone, sorry. It's always the tone of the parent. बहुत सारे parents ने बातें कही जो perhaps नहीं खटकती हैं because they just say it in a very polite, civil manner.
Sure. Sure.
एक नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बताऊँगी.
नहीं क्यों नहीं बताएंगे आप? नहीं.
इसमें okay, so we had one parent who came in and they said ke you need to take care of my child because I have 3 other kids at home.
Wonderful.
2 of them are twins and I have a job.
All right. So I do sympathize with that situation, but at the same time, like.
So you need to take care of this one. And yeah.
No, हमारे पास 30 है. कैसे करेंगे?
I think that's my favorite parent because I quote them like every year.
Oh, wow.
If somebody asks me ke like how was your PTM, so I will go like at least not that.
At least not that bad.
Yeah.
चलो अल्लाह रहम करे.
Yeah.
नहीं यार, it really, education generally and relationships with teachers in particular, na, it's something that has been quite but it's been something of a concern of mine क्योंकि अल्लाह के करम से, अल्लाह का करम है, इसमें मेरी कोई खासियत नहीं है. I've always had brilliant teachers. Brilliant, always, right? And I'm not saying I haven't had bad teachers. मतलब एक खातून थी, वो I discussed this असद वाले podcast पे भी I discussed this, वो हमें cupboard के अंदर बंद कर देती थी और ये सब चीज़ें तो होती थी, right? But on the whole, my teachers have been brilliant, alhamdulillah, and not just here in Malaysia or in Canada, everywhere they've been brilliant. And I think a large part of it, it's shaped a large part of who I am. But you know, if someone's willing to learn, there's nothing more beautiful than that.
Yeah.
It's so powerful for someone to just stand tall, square shouldered and be like, "Nahi, I don't know, but I will acquire whatever this is."
Yeah.
I don't think there are many things that are more powerful than that.
Yeah, I think the drive to learn is something that is missing in people and in young scholars. और फिर उनको ये भी लगता है कि अच्छा ठीक है सही है, A levels complete हो गया या यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री मिल गई, इसके बाद लर्निंग ख़त्म हो गई.
Sure.
जो कि आई थिंक इज़ समथिंग दैट होल्ड्स अस बैक. क्योंकि फॉर इंस्टेंस मेरी मैं ज़ैबिस्ट गई थी मीडिया साइंसेस पढ़ने के लिए. फिल्म मेकिंग की डिग्री लेके आप बाहर आए, 1 साल आपने फ्रीलांस किया. उसके बाद आई जॉइंड जियो फिल्म्स एज अ राइटर.
God damn.
अच्छा,
writers don't get respect, huh? I found that out.
Thank you for telling me that.
तो मेरी बात सुने ना आप. मेरी पढ़ाई है philosophy and professional writing में.
हाँ.
मैं इतना छोड़े में वापस आया था. मैंने कहा यार, I have a degree in this.
नहीं, writers are, देखिए, everybody can write. तो don't expect special treatment.
Absolutely not.
कि
Yeah.
आप writer हैं.
Yeah, exactly.
मैं भी लिख सकता हूँ.
जी.
आप क्या हैं?
सही.
I have just gotten a message कि can you record like a video on Mythbusters because they're doing a segment on Mythbusters. So myths related to writing and how writing is not respected as a profession. That is literally the message that I've gotten. So clearly.
Yes. ये बड़ी close to my heart है. Where आप writer की तरह काम कर रही थी?
Yeah. So मैं film department में काम कर रही थी.
Okay. Script writing and stuff.
Script writing, right?
Yes.
And then I got a call from a company called Teeli to come and meet them.
Okay.
And बात हुई, I said yes. This was like a 1.5 day process. I met them day 1, and day 2 morning they were like, have you made a decision? And I said, yes, I have. Day 2 ही पे जाके मैं उनसे मिली थी, and they were like, oh, let's like do your paperwork. While we were walking towards the HR department, Wali, my boss, asked me, okay, do you have your CV on you? And I was like, I have it on WhatsApp. He was like, just WhatsApp it to me. That is how Teeli started.
That's beautiful, I think.
Great story to tell,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, of course.
Teeli is a digital channel.
Yes.
मैंने नहीं पढ़ा हुआ डिजिटल चैनल के बारे में. मैंने कभी नौकरी नहीं की थी डिजिटल चैनल में.
Sorry.
डिजिटल चैनल्स एटलीस्ट तीली से पहले मेरे लिए एज अ प्लेस वेयर यू कुड वर्क नहीं एग्जिस्ट करते थे.
I think Teeli से पहले बहुत कम, generally बहुत कम exist किया कर सकते in this landscape at least, in Pakistan at
Perhaps,
least.
yeah. ये जितना फॉर्मली तीली ने उसको अप्रोच किया है उस फॉर्मल अप्रोच के साथ नहीं थे.
Sure.
And I had to learn a lot of things. And I remember in the first month, I used to think to myself, ये मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ?
Really?
Yeah,
For instance.
because writing for digital is different, right? Ideation for digital is different.
Sure.
क्योंकि आप जो कहानी सुनाते हैं, all of a sudden उसकी duration कम हो गई है. It's not a 1.5 घंटे की film anymore. It's a 3-minute script. आप फिल्म देखने जाते हैं एक बड़े स्क्रीन के ऊपर, आप डिजिटल कंटेंट देखते हैं अपने फ़ोन के ऊपर. So your relationship or the viewer's relationship with that piece of content is entirely different.
Sure, that's
Right?
powerful. Yes.
So and because of that, it needs to be crafted differently.
Yes.
फिर आप जिस तरीके से डिजिटल पे क्या चीज़ चलती है, क्या चीज़ नहीं चलती, because your audience is so different.
Sure.
आपका चैनल जो है अगर वो 18 से 35 साल के लोगों को टारगेट कर रहा है, तो यू नीड टू मेक कंटेंट दैट दे वुड वॉच.
Of course. Yes.
So many things, and this is just टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग का भी टिप, जो मतलब 2-3 चीज़ें जो लिखी अभी मैंने मेंशन की, इसके अलावा इतनी सारी चीज़ें थी.
Yeah.
तो
if you had not been open to learning.
Yeah. And just like knowing कि हाँ, this is something I do not know and I need to learn. And I think, so I always think back to when I was back in A-levels, हमारे कोई स्कूल में यूनिवर्सिटी वाले आए हुए थे अपने जो नहीं कि हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में आए, some like foreign university.
Yeah, sure.
I don't even remember the name of the university.
Okay. Okay.
However, I do remember this gentleman who was addressing us. उन्होंने कहा था, currently you guys are studying for jobs that do not exist.
Right.
That is when I was 18. And clearly like years later, अच्छा मेरी मैथ्स कमज़ोर है लेकिन अगर हम वक्त लें तो हम कर सकते हैं कितने साल. But I was 10 साल बाद, I think, almost after 10 years. I think I was 28 when I joined Teeli.
Okay.
After 10 years, I was literally employed at a company I had not studied for.
Yeah. That's a beautiful thing, I think.
And had a job that did not exist perhaps like a year or 2 years before that.
हाँ नहीं वही.
Podcast, for instance, is something in the Pakistani digital landscape.
हाँ नहीं.
Is fairly new.
It's fairly new, yeah. And also, this is very interesting tangent that we're going to go on. You also don't know what you're preparing yourself for, right? But that's the power of being open. Like I never knew what I want to do is talk, right? Because talking, it's not understood to be a skill. Just like writing, anyone can do. बात भी हर कोई कर सकता है.
Yeah.
तो for me, it was always, you need to pick up hard skills. You do. So it'll be much easier if you know coding, for instance, right? Or video editing, something that you could sell. Having said that, you should never ever lament कि आपका जो है process बहुत लंबा हो रहा है या आप कुछ you're not adding anything of value to yourself, because this is your project. This is what you're working on yourself. You must productivize yourself. And I suppose it's very powerful, जो आपने भी बोला कि you picked up a lot of these skills without knowing it. You just had to in the moment, right? And that's what's led you to here. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. And things seem to be working out. So
Yeah, I think so. I would think
Yeah,
so. Sure.
yeah.
Allah khair kare. So speaking of Teeli, we did mention this before, and I have always wondered. Teeli colloquially,
जी.
तंग करने को बोलते हैं,
हाँ, तीली
right?
लगाने को,
So,
जी.
तीली लगाने को. So then, has that been the ethos of this sub subsection of the main organization, because Dawn is the parent company,
Right, right.
And then, so is this like geared towards I don't know, satire maybe, because we were speaking about that as well.
Yeah. So we have done content other than satire also.
Yes.
जोड़ों का दर्द is one video that I mentioned. चाय का बहरान is another video. मैंने चाय का कप पकड़ के मुझे याद आया. चाय का बहरान is another video जिसके अंदर चाय ख़त्म हो जाती है और बहरान आ गया और अब क्या होगा. So, you know, videos that have no social commentary happening.
Sure, okay.
But the content that we have done with where satire is the driving force of the script, that content clearly just has resonated more with audience.
Sure, okay.
तो जब वो आते हैं तो तीली has just been, you know, synonymous with social satire.
सही.
हमने कभी intentionally उसको जो है ऐसा सोचा नहीं है कि हमें social satire ही करना है, because we are open to other sorts of content
Sure,
also.
okay.
But that's just something that has traveled more.
Okay, but meaningful content nonetheless.
बिल्कुल जी,
You want to, so here it is also important to stress upon the fact that there is absolute structure in how you guys do things. It's not कि एक दिन गुल बैठी हुई है यार, chai is something that's important to me. No, there's writing, there's
course.
writers, and there's all that stuff going
Yeah,
on, right?
yeah.
So there's always meaningful content. That's interesting. What's the chai ka boran about? I don't drink tea. It's not a boran.
So a lot of our content is surreal in nature. A lot of in the sense के
Post-apocalyptic stuff.
अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ.
LRM करेगा.
But you know, it's surreal in the sense के disappearing moms is a sketch that we have.
Jeez.
कि आप एक दिन उठते हैं और दुनिया भर से सारी अम्माएं गायब हो गई हैं.
LRM करे.
तो अब क्या, अब बच्चे कैसे मतलब दिन गुजारेंगे, कपड़े कौन इस्त्री करेगा, खाना कौन बनाएगा, you know, things like that we rely on our moms for.
Sure.
रिश्ता फॉर सेल इज अनदर वीडियो के जहाँ पे रिश्ते बिकते हैं as commodities.
वो तो अभी बिकते हैं actually भी.
So perhaps not really a sketch, maybe just like
Just
real
satire.
life.
Allegory is the word I was
Yeah.
yeah.
तो very interesting सवाल क्या था आपका, सॉरी.
मैं भी भूल गया. नहीं, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था चाय का बुरान जो
चाय का बुरान किस
what's
चीज़
it
के
about?
बारे में. सो चाय का बुरान जो है चाय की किल्लत हो गई है पाकिस्तान में. सो हाउ इज़ एवरीबडी रिएक्टिंग टू दैट कि अब जब लोग रिश्तों के लिए जाते हैं, नो आई एम सॉरी, अब लोग जो है रिश्तों पे डिलिबरेटली जाते हैं कि हमारे घर में तो चाय नहीं है, शायद वहाँ हो जाए चाय. अब जो है अब जो पीर बाबा के पास से जो तावीज़ मिलता है वो टी बैग मिलता है, बिकॉज तावीज़ वाली चाय जो है अब हमें चाहिए. और अब जो है वो इतनी एक प्रेशियस चीज़ हो गई है कि वो मतलब वो अब यू नो शेडी हैंड एक्सचेंजेस,
brown paper bag
बिल्कुल. So
That's cool.
yeah.
That's interesting. All right. In my mind, this is a logical. This question is a logical continuation. But to you, matlab to anyone, it might not seem like it is.
To each his own.
Yeah, exactly. You know how यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान में prime time television is news shows, talk shows.
For men.
For
Men.
women, it's not.
No, I think that's dramas for women.
अच्छा, it still is.
Yeah.
But बहरहाल तो how it's quoted is कि prime time television, prime time watching is कि आपने जो मतलब वो जो slots होते हैं prime time के वो हमेशा talk shows होते हैं where people are just screaming at each other,
Yeah.
right, just going ape shit. Why do you think that is? As someone who works in the medias and builds, makes content to capture people's imagination,
Yeah.
right? How do you
Um,
think that's happened? Why did we get here?
so I was thinking about this. Somebody,
Thinking, yes, very good.
because somebody said, "Ki, will this ever change?" And my answer was, it might change because it has changed before.
Sure.
राइट. एक गोल्डन एरा है टेलीविजन का जो हर कोई बहुत मुस्कुरा के याद करता है कि अल्फा ब्रावो चार्ली, तन्हाइयाँ,
मैं पैदा नहीं हुआ था.
धूप किनारे. बट सो यू नो पीपल स्टिल नो ऑफ दोज ड्रामाज, राइट, एंड फार मोर प्रोग्रेसिव देन आवर करंट कंटेंट
Oh,
एक्चुअली.
absolutely. Yes.
तो अगर हम एक ज़माने में वहाँ थे, clearly things happened to us और अब हम यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं, so things have changed.
Sure.
So I think with concentrated effort, things will change once again. How it has come about कि हम सनसनीखेज न्यूज़ को एज एंटरटेनमेंट ट्रीट करते हैं या एज प्राइम टाइम एंटरटेनमेंट ट्रीट करते हैं, I don't know, maybe it sort of like resonates with some inner anger that we have.
Sure, bitterness, anger, yes.
बिल्कुल कि वो
yes,
हम
yes.
कहीं और जाके चीख चिल्ला नहीं सकते, तो हम दूसरे लोगों को चीखते हुए चिल्लाते हुए जो देखते हैं,
Yeah.
so it feels some sort of like a
A release, I think.
yeah,
no?
yeah.
क्योंकि मैंने जो है ना, so my mom, who is responsible for all the good that is in me, alhamdulillah, वो तो कोई इसमें कोई वो नहीं है, शक नहीं है, लेकिन so she was in Canada even, in fact, तो I would come down, I would try to spend time with her, and she'd be watching these things. I'd start suffocating. Like physically, I'd be like, Mom, you either turn the TV off, or
Yeah.
I'm going outside, or I'm doing something else, right? Because literally the opposite of table manners or speaking manners is exactly what's on display.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, so how we're talking right now is I talk, right? And then you talk. And then while you talk, I shut the fuck up, right? And then when I talk, you do the same, because
Yeah.
that's how you talk.
Yeah.
It's the opposite there. And I was like, Mom, like, I'm literally suffocating. I don't understand.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But how is that prime time television in Pakistan? What are we learning? Is that the way to talk? It's not.
It's not the way to talk, but I think that's the charm of reality TV, or maybe that's a closest version of reality TV, कि हम जो है दूसरे लोगों को misbehave करते हुए और जंगलियों की तरह behave करते हुए देखते हैं, तो we enjoy it, और at least वो आप एक superiority की नज़र से उनको देखते हैं कि at least हम तो ये नहीं करते, या फिर
Sure.
अगर मैं होता तो मैं ये नहीं करता, तो
Sure.
इन जानवरों को देखो. तो I think वो perhaps 2-4 layers में जो है वो चीज़
हमारी psyche चल रही है वहाँ पे.
yeah, so like I think there's a response as a citizen where you're angry at the country and you're angry at the people running the country, not angry at the country, but angry at the people running the country.
Sure, yeah.
And you don't know how to get your point across, but you are looking at people who are shouting at each other. So वो release है जो आपने mention किया.
Yes.
And then it's also, एक आप हिकारत से भी देखते हैं कि
हिकारत क्या होता
like a condescending, judgmental
Oh,
way.
right, sure. You're looking down on them?
हाँ कि oh, this is not the way we talk at home,
No.
या फिर this is not the way I was raised, या फिर ये देखो ये हैं पढ़े लिखे politicians जो हमारे मुल्क को चला रहे हैं.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
And I think those are my two
Good.
thoughts on it.
Yeah. I think there is definitely an element of indignation. Na? कि यार, how dare this happen to me? And so there's all this bitterness and anger. Behral, it's just something that confuses me, and it ties into the education. कि यार देखो, ठीक है, the kids in school for however long, but we're exposed to this all the time. It's on Facebook and stuff.
So see, news, and if I could just connect this to dramas also, हमारे जो ड्रामे हैं
जी
वो भी हम देखते हैं.
जी बिल्कुल देखते हैं.
और बहुत बढ़ चढ़ के देखते हैं, right? I mean, these are popular dramas, at least जो 3 बड़े channels के ऊपर जो आते हैं वो काफ़ी popular होते हैं. Everybody watches them. वो उसकी कहानी हमारी ज़िंदगी की कहानी नहीं होती है, but we still watch it.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नहीं है.
So अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह नहीं है. But I think there is some sort of perverse pleasure in having access to a story that is perhaps not yours. So you have that comfort
Sure.
of not going through those experiences, but you still have access to somebody else's tragedy.
So that narrative of exceptionality is one thing that you're saying कि हम तो ये नहीं करते लेकिन ये कोई और है, and then
हाँ.
that it's recreational suffering.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that
yeah,
something to say?
yeah.
Yeah.
Is that like a proper?
I don't know. I just made it up. I have no idea. It might be.
Should be on a T-shirt.
Now it is. Shirt तो कौन बनाएगा? But well, speaking of news, have you been following the Ali Zafar Misha Shafi thing?
I just know in like I haven't been following it.
No,
not as of today. I haven't been following it.
Okay.
I know she was supposed to go, and leaves have been granted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So leaves have been granted क्योंकि पहले वो the technicality upon which her thing was dismissed. ये मैंने भी कहीं पढ़ा. Pray के उस पे पढ़ा था मैंने. I was like, oh, thank
Yes.
you, educating me. ये the dismissal was based on the fact कि workplace harassment के अंदर आप जो है ये कर रहे हो जो भी कर रहे हो, और आप workplace में थे नहीं. आप self employed हो, आप job करते नहीं हो, right? And so now the court is like, no, we'll still hear it.
Yeah.
But forget who's right, who's wrong. अल्लाह रहम करे, जो भी गलत कर रहा है उसको अल्लाह ताला सज़ा दे, और जो भी सही कर रहा है अल्लाह ताला उसको, जस्टिस को क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में?
Insaf.
इंसाफ दे इंशाल्लाह. on a cultural level,
Yes.
the reactions have been extremely visceral.
Yes.
Very, very potent reactions. And this, Misha Shafi is not just anybody, right? And Ali Zafar isn't either. No one's saying he, but reactions have been so polar opposites. So they've been polarizing, but they've also been very visceral. कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि यार I hope Ali Zafar's all right and Misha Shafi I think वो गलत कर रही है. नहीं, वो मर जाए.
Yeah,
Stuff like that, you know.
Yeah.
What do you say to that?
So एक तो clearly these sort of statements, they come from a place of anger.
Yes.
And discontent.
Sure,
And you know
okay.
that discontent could be on multiple levels once again.
Okay.
मुझे नहीं पता कि आपके घर में कितने लोग हैं, मुझे नहीं पता कि आपके घर में गैस पानी बिजली आती है नहीं आती, मुझे नहीं पता कि आपके पास नौकरी है नौकरी नहीं है, आपकी आमदनी में आपके सारे ज़रूरतें पूरी होती नहीं पूरी होती. आई थिंक that contributes to the mindset that ends up saying things like that.
Okay, yeah.
And of course you do exist in a society जहाँ पे from centuries एक structure established है.
A patriarchal structure.
बिल्कुल. जिसमें आपने मर्द को superior रखा हुआ है और आपने औरत को inferior रखा हुआ है.
जी बिल्कुल.
Now if somebody is coming up and rattling that structure,
Sure.
now people benefiting from that structure are going to have a response.
I would think so, sure, yeah.
So, and you also benefit from a structure if you maintain it. So, उसमें जो वो कह रहे हैं कि वो मर जाए, I think, and you know, once again, it does multiple things. It's a direct comment on what they think about Misha Shafi. Then it's a comment on what they think about women in Pakistan. अगर वो मीशा शफ़ी जैसी दिखती हैं, उस जैसा बोलती हैं,
Sure,
कपड़े
yeah.
पहनती हैं, perhaps their opinions are the same. They would be the same woman for them.
Sure, yeah.
And I think it also just comes from a place of, and maybe I'm going to phrase this really badly, but I think it's also just because now you have a platform to voice that thought. I think पहले हमारे पास जितनी भी गंध थी वो हमारे दिमाग तक महदूद रहती थी.
Yes.
But now you have 5 different platforms asking you,
What do you think?
what's on your mind, Gul?
Yes. I think so. That's powerful that the way you've put it. I think the first thing that you've instituted is the hierarchy of needs, Maslow, right?
Yeah.
So that's the first thing you institute, and that's very good. That's I think the proper way to do it. लेकिन उसके बाद वही है ना, it's just at what point do we stop them and be like, yeah, देखो, no matter what you're going through, you can't wish this kind of thing upon another person, whether you agree with them or disagree with them. I don't have an opinion. I do, but you know, it's like it's not founded, it's not quantifiable, and so I don't state it. Right? जो भी होगा वो कोर्ट में ही होगा, ठीक है ना, और कोर्ट केस चल रहा है. Why are we so taken by the lives of other people to this level? She felt a certain way, उसने केस किया, जनाब जो थे उनने केस कर दिया, केस हो रहे हैं ना. Why ऐसे इस किस्म के फतवे आप क्यों सुना रहे हो on people that you don't, और इस किस्म की you don't know them, and this kind of fatwa, you know, like this kind of judgment, मर जाए, ख़त्म हो जाए, गलीस औरत यही होना चाहिए. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? You don't know what kind of a person she is.
Yeah.
You know?
Because उसकी accountability नहीं है ना आपके पास, आप तो कुछ भी बोल के निकल सकते हैं.
Sure.
A lot of them just do it with या तो anonymous accounts होते हैं, या
Yes.
फिर
Yes.
Prince Raj 324, you know.
Shani Night King.
Yeah. Knight Rider.
Night Rider.
बहुत interesting usernames होते हैं. Like sometimes, sorry, sidebar, but sometimes I wonder like how do people come up with these names?
Dude, the internet is undefeated. It really is.
तो so बहुत सारे होते हैं वो अपने नाम के साथ भी कर रहे होते हैं. तो imagine the confidence that you have your actual legitimate name next to you with a really
Abhorrent.
yeah, that sort of a statement.
Yeah.
You stand by it, you totally believe in it.
Yes.
And you know, it makes me wonder कि आपको कितना confidence है in the way you live your life, and in the goodness of your morals and thoughts, you can actually say this about somebody else. And you mentioned disagreement. हमें disagreement के साथ रहना आता नहीं है.
नहीं.
You know, because friends disagree. So like
All
if I
the
have to
time.
like really like bring it down to like a very elementary level, friends disagree.
All the time.
You disagree with your siblings and you disagree with your parents.
Sure.
We live with disagreement.
Yes.
Now, but we don't hate them.
No, you're meant to. You're meant to not hate them and disagree at the same time. Yeah, yeah.
Why can't we apply that to
Strangers.
society
Yeah.
and strangers? Ke you hear a thought, you don't agree with it, you try to understand where they're coming from.
Or don't. Or don't. Just don't wish death upon them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think
Just
we
leave them
really
alone.
I think we have this obsession with death. Like everything, like either people should just die as punishment. You don't have the right to live. If you are this sort of a person,
Sure.
you shouldn't exist. Yeah, you shouldn't continue existing. Right? That's what you're saying when you
That's what
want the
you're
other
saying.
person to die.
That's exactly what you're saying. And would you then argue that that is a result, either it in part progenitates?
मुझे नहीं पता ये
मुझे भी
लफ्ज़.
नहीं पता है. ये पता नहीं क्यों ये फंस गया. ये मेरी डिस्क फंस जाती है. मैं बुढ़ा हूँ ना. तो वो but in part gives birth to cancel culture, or is it a result of cancel culture? ये this proclivity कि भाई आप मेरे से अगर agree नहीं कर रहे ना तो आप मर जाए. You know, like no diversity of thought or experience or what have you. You should just die if you're not agreeing with me. You just don't exist.
So there is this. I don't remember the larger conversation that this was part of, but I remember I ended up saying that we are conditioned to say a couple of things,
Sure.
and हमने जो सुनी होती हैं बातें हम वही आगे regurgitate कर रहे होते हैं.
Confirmation biases and all those things. ना हाँ हाँ ठीक.
अगर हम अपने ऊपर एक stipulation लगा देना कि जो मैंने अपनी अम्मा से सुना है वो मैं आगे नहीं बोलूँगी. I'm going to say something different. I think at that point people will need to then use their grey matter.
Sure.
क्योंकि वो एक बनी बनाई पर्ची आगे नहीं कर रहे हैं. They have to actually come up with their own thoughts.
Yes. Yes.
So I think हम ये नहीं करते हैं. ये जो मर जाए और ये वाली भी चीज़ है ना, ये आपके दिमाग में this is not an original thought.
No,
This is you have heard somebody say this. You have heard multiple people say this over years and years.
Yes.
कि ऐसे transgression की punishment मरना ही है.
सही.
आप ऐसे दिखते हैं या आप ऐसी चीज़ें बोलते हैं, मर जाना यहाँ पे fit करता है.
Yes.
So I think if you put that restriction on yourself, if I have heard something from another person and I'm not going to pass that on, and I'm going to actually take a moment and just come up with an insult of my own,
Sure.
I think people actually might
Yeah.
slightly change.
Yeah, no, not
Maybe.
Yeah, not throw out death penalties left, right, and center.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो I suppose it's just about engaging your critical faculty. है ना? Like even अगर जैसे मैंने अपनी वालदैन से कुछ सुना है, don't बदतमीजी with them. Don't do that at all, right? No. But at least analyze कि ये क्या सीन है भाई? क्यों मैं ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ या क्यों मुझे ऐसा सोचना चाहिए?
बिल्कुल.
ये क्या है?
Yeah.
ये विरासत में मिल तो गया है मुझे, लेकिन है क्या इसका?
So you know my favorite stories, and I think, sorry, I do this a lot.
No, but please.
But chicken corn soup वाली जो किताबें हुआ करती थी.
हैं जी?
Stories for the soul.
हाँ?
There were like a series of books,
बिल्कुल.
something about chicken soup.
ठीक है, ज़बरदस्त. I like chicken soup.
ये जो है हम बाद में इसको हम फिक्स कर देंगे,
ठीक है.
डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे कि किताबों का क्या नाम
हाँ,
था.
हाँ.
But these were like these really wholesome, positive stories.
With good morals and values.
Not even morals, values.
हाँ.
And उसके अंदर एक कहानी थी जिसमें, and I think this is the story perhaps that might have sort of like pushed me into thinking कि oh, why does something exist the way it does.
Sure.
So उसके अंदर होता है कि थैंक्स गिविंग पे जो है, जाहिर सी बात है फरंगी कहानियाँ हैं सारी.
जी, बिल्कुल.
थैंक्स गिविंग पे जो है टर्की बनती है और इसकी अम्मा जो है वो साइड से कोई चीज़ ना, एक टांग या साइड से कोई एक पीस काट के जो है सर्व करती हैं. तो वो जो बेटी होती है वो कहती है कि आपने क्यों किया था. उसने वो अम्मा कहती हैं कि पता नहीं, मेरी अम्मा किया करती थी, I've always seen her do this.
Sure.
उसको होती है जुस्तुजू, तो वो कहती है कि अच्छा ठीक है, सही है, नानी के पास जाते हैं. वो नानी के पास जाती हैं पूछने के लिए कि भाई आप क्यों किया करती थी. तो उन्होंने कहा बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज सीन माई मदर डू दिस. कि वो भी जो है सर्व करते वक्त या उसको जो है बनाते वक्त जो थी वो आधा काट के पकाया करती थी.
Sure.
तो वो कहती है अच्छा ठीक है, सही है. शी ट्रैक्स डाउन हर परनानी टू लाइक सम ओल्ड होम.
Okay.
और वो जाके पूछती है कि अच्छा लाइक यू टेल मी
हाँ
कि why was this happening to the turkey? और वो कहती है मेरा पतीला छोटा था.
That's it. Yes. So that's the story of ritual, right? What you've just said is the story of. So things often lose their functional potency. Let's just say, because मुझे और कोई लफ्ज़ नहीं आ रहा अभी. Functional potency, right? And they are relegated to ritual. Exactly for that reason. Ajrak, Sindhi. There's a reason for it. या ये जो खेड़ी होती है. You know, mountain climbers used to wear that because और कुछ मतलब पहाड़ चढ़ रहे होते थे, पत्थर होते थे, right? And now you wear it as a fashion statement.
Right.
Skinny jeans, wearing your pants too low. All of these things.
Yeah.
There's functionality behind
बिल्कुल.
it. Yes, and then it becomes ritual. That's such a beautiful
So
thing.
so एक तो वो ritual
हाँ.
potency की functionality की आपने बात की ना. But it's also questioning something, right? Like, why does something exist the way it does?
Yes, why do we have to do it this way?
Why do we have, या फिर why does this thought exist in this society
Sure.
the way it does?
जैसे बेटी की अगर शादी हो गई तो वो वापस घर पे नहीं आ सकती है. For instance,
Yeah.
right? Like that's something that really eats away at me. Considering I'm not, I'm a guy. Like, but like वो, yeah, I don't know, Gul. I don't know what's happened to me. मैं एक ज़माने में बड़ा एक मतलब मर्द होता था. Proper ना कि ये सब.
What is a proper man?
I don't know. मतलब one who only feels anger, who doesn't cry, who doesn't have any emotions, works out a lot, fights, boxing, kickboxing, obviously, loves guns. By all counts, I have then not been a proper man. Sad. But well, so I was.
Is it sad?
Is it? I don't know. I don't know. Sure. I mean, I'm definitely failing on certain standards. Said by certain people who.
तुम मर जाओ.
मर जाओ. तो मर क्यों नहीं गए हो? जिंदा क्यों हो तुम? तो but I read this somewhere and it made me emotional just because of what it represents, right? So उर्दू मेरी वैसे थोड़ी वीक है लेकिन मैं पढ़ रहा था उर्दू में तो उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि अपनी बेटियों की आप जब उनकी वो क्या होती डोरी जहेज जब बना रहे होते हैं उनको घर भी और ये सब चीज़ें दे रहे होते हैं ज्वेलरी एंड एवरीथिंग तो साथ साथ उनको सबसे बड़ी एक ये खजाना
ट्रेजर
ट्रेजर ये खजाना भी साथ में दिया करें और वो खजाना ये होता है कि उनको बताया करें कि बेटा इंसान का बच्चा देख के शादी कराई थी अगर हैवान निकले ना तो फौरन वापस आ जाना एंड आई स्टिल गेट टेयरी आई एम जस्ट लाइक ओह दैट्स सच अ पावरफुल थिंग दो दैट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग एंड इट इज सो absent in our muashara, right? Because these things, वही वाली बात है कि these things are set in stone, these rituals कि नहीं लड़की वापस आएगी तो क्या होगा? फिर क्या होगा? समझाओ ना मुझे क्या होगा? I don't understand what the problem is here. You know?
Yeah.
I don't know why I feel so strongly about this. Having an existential crisis.
No. So I think I came back.
Wait, what? The fuck? I don't know all this.
Because you were not moving on with the new topic, so now I feel like I'm just like obligated to respond.
No, you're not obligated. You don't want.
No. No, I think I'm just going to. I'm going to just like touch upon how my mother felt.
Okay, all right.
Because I love my mother. She's just छोटी सी cute सी चीज़ है वो हमारे घर में मंडला रही होती हैं. मुझे बहुत पसंद है मेरी वालदा. People on my Instagram know her as छोटी सी अम्मा.
All right.
छोटी सी अम्मा has a fan club on Instagram.
Yeah, she should.
वो तस्वीर डालती हूँ तो like so many people just like want to say hi to her and everything.
Yeah,
so oh shit. तो वो जो है नहीं. So उस पे I remember my mother, I'm sure, was going through this huge turmoil. ज़ाहिर सी बात है. Like this is not something you ever prepare for, right?
Sure.
So I think उनका एक डर था कि मोहल्ले वाले क्या कहेंगे. कि ज़ाहिर सी बात है, everybody saw me leave and now I'm back. I think it is the fear of judgment.
Sure.
Right?
Okay.
And like this is no revolutionary thought. I mean like it is the fear of judgment.
Yeah.
And I think my mother sort of like calmed down जब उनको हमारे जो ख़ानदान में जो और लोग हैं जो उनसे उन्होंने कहा कि if she is unhappy and she wants to come back, just like no questions asked.
No.
I think she also calmed down when मोहल्ले वाले did not ask her questions. So I think like the only thing and like really no big thought, but just like coming from personal experience,
Yeah.
I think it is just the fear of judgment. मैंने जो है बहुत अरसे इसके बारे में बिल्कुल बात नहीं की है, not because of fear of judgment, but just because it's going to open up like lots of conversations that you don't want to get
That you
into.
don't want to have, yeah.
Yeah, so
I
yeah.
suppose it's a fear of dissent as well, right? Like we're taught, क्योंकि हमारे mammalian brains जो हैं वो उस ज़माने में develop हुए थे जब dissent meant death, right? If there's a community of 10 people and I start doing something that the other 9 people aren't doing, तो मैं सिर्फ अपने आप को नहीं, मैं आप सबको मरवाऊंगा. So you're not meant to change, right? You're not meant to do this. Similar thing when I was quitting my job. मुझे भी यही बोला गया कि भाई आप जो है फिर क्या करोगे क्या नहीं करोगे. Similar things, right? It's just never been done before.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
And my father was absolutely supportive. So was my mom, right? But I said this to them. I was like, your biggest success is that I can think about doing this,
Yeah.
right? That I would dare to tell you guys, I'm gonna try something that's kind of weird and maybe a little strange, but I'm gonna do it.
Yeah,
You know?
because I think there's comfort in knowing that this has worked or this has always worked.
Sure.
And there is fear or there is the fear of unknown, I guess.
Yeah. You want the sameness.
Yeah.
हर चीज पे निस लगा तो full intellectual हो जाता है. Sameness.
And you would rather just stay with sameness or whatever's familiar
Yes.
rather than experiment.
Sure, I think.
Right? I think that is why जब किसी को startup खोलना होता है, so people are like, are you sure? Like maybe 9 to 5 because 9 to 5 is familiar.
Sure, yeah.
So I am going to be that person who says unhappy marriages are familiar. Like we find ourselves saying, ऐसे ही तो होता है.
That's so heavy.
ऐसे ही तो होता है. Oh shit. But I thought this was going to be like a fun conversation.
You made this. I'm sorry. I was just saying something about women empowerment that I feel, and then you made this so serious. I made this serious. I'm sorry.
No.
Yeah.
Should we restart?
No, we absolutely shouldn't. No. I think it's very powerful what you've said, right? And I think it needs to be said, and I think it needs to be left there, right? Because sometimes क्या होता है कि you say things and you're like, maybe people aren't ready, right?
Oh, people are never ready.
But you believe this, right? And I believe this, and Wahab believes this. So we know कि ये जो चीज़ है ये है, but you're like, oh, people aren't ready. Well, they're gonna have to get ready. And the way you phrased it as well, unhappy marriages are familiar. Isn't that a fucked up thing? That's something. Unhappy marriages are familiar. Do something. Do something. Tell us a story. Tell us something. No. I think, yeah. That's.
So once again, like tangent.
Yeah, absolutely. You should.
I was having this conversation at work with one of our producers, और हम अपने आप को पता नहीं शायद छोटा मोटा फिलोसोफर मानते हैं, तो हम जो है ना फिर शुरू जाते हैं काम पे.
तो philosophy, I'll add to your tangent ताकि एक बड़ी वो बन जाए. Tangent पूरा एक ये segue ही बन जाए.
ठीक है.
Philosophy is simply the search for truth.
Okay.
So if you're a philosopher, you are someone who looks for the truth. Everyone's a philosopher. Please continue.
That's a very classic philosopher statement.
Yeah. I did study it.
Yes, I am familiar through the podcasts.
Yes.
मैं सुनती हूँ मैं.
जी. You have to. What are you going to do, right?
तो हम लोग काम पे बात कर रहे थे ओके हम लोग हॉलीवुड की बात कर रहे थे. हाउ हॉलीवुड में एक फेज़ आया या फिर एक ज़माने में आप देखते थे कि यू वुड हैव men who go out and work.
Sure.
And they would have wives at home who are never in the mood for sex, who are very grumpy, cranky. मतलब home situation आपकी unhappy है.
Domestic situation is not, there are no sparks. There's no fireworks.
Yeah.
That's what the kids say.
Fizzled out.
Yes.
अच्छा, अब वो कहानियाँ लिख कौन रहा था? मर्द लिख रहे थे.
Sure.
अब वो कहानियाँ बना कौन रहा है? मर्द बना रहे हैं.
Yes.
तो मुझे नहीं याद कि क्वेश्चन मेरे जहन में कहाँ से आया था, बट अगर वो कहानियाँ मर्द लिख रहे हैं
Mm-hmm.
about unhappy marriages where the wives are just like frigid or uninterested in them,
Sure.
they're perhaps writing from their own experience.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So they have unhappy marriages or they have dysfunctional marriages, and now what they're doing through their stories is they're normalizing it.
Or they're justifying extramarital affairs and so on and so forth.
Sure, they're
हाँ, वो सब,
justifying
हाँ,
that.
हाँ,
चले
हाँ,
उसमें
promiscuity.
अगर उसमें वो भी नहीं है चीज, अगर for instance, you know, that's like step B.
हाँ, ये insidious हो गया. Insidious नहीं है. It's just,
नहीं.
हाँ.
आपने जो आपने एक मैरिज की जो आपने जो तस्वीर पेश की है वो ये है कि एक वक्त पे आके दोनों ग्रम्पी हो जाते हैं. मतलब there are no sparks
There's
anymore.
no sparks.
Right? And then you have sort of made that the dominant narrative of marriage.
About that it's sexless and stuff, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now people who perhaps are not married, who are going to go into it, are going to go with that mindset.
कि ये तो ऐसे ही होना है.
Right? So I think now how do I bring this full circle? ये तो मैंने ऐसे ही बोला था because you just put me on the spot. Say something because you went into like a...
I wanted to a very...
But this was basically how we write stories from our own personal experience.
Sure, of course.
And then when they go out to like multiple people, and
Yeah.
over time they just develop as the dominant narrative, and people take that forward.
Sure.
And then that becomes your mindset कि oh, marriages तो unhappy होंगी ही फिर आगे जाके. So a happy marriage then seems abnormal कि आप लोग तो बड़े खुश हैं.
people are waiting for you. अब तो like
People are waiting for
like
you
kids,
to like...
kids, dude, right? Like साल हो गया. You're like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Like we'll have kids when we're ready. But okay, so full disclosure, I have had मैंने एक बार एक Dawn Images के पोस्ट पे ये मैंने बात लिख दी थी और मेरी उनसे काफ़ी बहस हो गई थी.
सही.
बहस मुबासा हो गया था. वो मुबासा तक बात चली गई थी और मैं वहाँ पे भी यही मेरा नुक्ता नज़र था कि when you have the full force and legitimacy that is afforded to the name of Dawn, right? You must, to at some level, be cognizant of it, right? तो अपने opinions जो हैं या अपने जो नुक्ता नज़र हैं उनको at least आप vet कर लेते हैं. I won't just say anything. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm sure you must feel this as well with Teely on your back. But even though I'm only talking to you, right? I don't want, you know, but you still like, it's still, because Alhamdulillah, and it's a good burden. Alhamdulillah, sahi hai, sab acha hai. So I was like, you must at least display cognizance for it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You can't just willy-nilly say something's bad or something. So I don't like maroon shawls. But you know, that's not Dawn saying it. That's the person saying it, right?
Yeah.
So much to your, just adding into your story of people writing about unhappy marriages, at some point you have to understand that this is a cultural text that you're working on.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's the dialectic that you're flowing into.
Yeah.
Right? So आप ये नहीं कर सकते हैं कि भाई but this is what I feel and this is the story. No, you have to think about it.
Yeah.
Metacognition, what we were talking about
Yes.
TPR वाले उस पे
हाँ.
कि you have to think about what you're thinking about कि यार चलो ठीक है, I want to make a skit about whatever चाय का बुरान or whatever, right? But this needs to be objectively something. It needs to have some kind of thing. Entertainment value even.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. You know how you mentioned cultural text?
Yes.
तो हम जब तीरी का कंटेंट डिस्कस करते हैं स्पेशली वेब सीरीज तो हम बेचारा इतना ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री को हमें बोलना पड़ता है कि वो जो है दुख भरी कहानियाँ ज़्यादा सुनाते हैं, उसमें तशद्दुद ज़्यादा होता है. वी हैव अ स्केच कॉल्ड पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा फैक्ट्री जिसके अंदर वहाब ने देखा हुआ है जिसके अंदर हम बेसिकली इट्स अ मीटिंग ऑन हाउ पाकिस्तानी ड्रामाज आर मेड और उसमें वो कहती है कि लाइक 3 Ds होने चाहिए इसके अंदर: डिवोर्स, डिप्रेशन, डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज़. Because
that's profound though, right? Yeah,
because but that is all that happens, right? I watch Pakistani drama. मैं एक वक्त में 3 देख रही होती हूँ because that is what छोटी सी अम्मा is doing, so that's how we chill. So उसके अंदर तो हम बात करते हैं कि हम जब भी तीली कंटेंट की बात करते हैं, स्पेशली वेब सीरीज़ की, तो हम कहते हैं कि ओ यू नो वी वांट टू टेल लाइट हार्टेड स्टोरीज़, वी वांट टू टेल स्टोरीज़ अबाउट द मॉडर्न पाकिस्तानी एक्सपीरियंस. हमारी जो यूथ एक्सपीरियंस करता है, वी एक्सपीरियंस दीज होलसम क्यूट रिलेशनशिप्स, वी वांट टू शोकेस दैट, क्योंकि दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ हैपनिंग और उसके ऊपर कहानियाँ बनती नहीं हैं. हमने एक और वेब सीरीज़ बनाई थी, फॉर इंस्टेंस सुपर हीरोज़ के नाम से. सो सुपर हीरोज़ वॉज अबाउट 4 women.
All right.
And it's their lives are slightly intertwined but not very obviously.
Okay.
तो जिस तरह एक जो है उसकी ग्रेजुएशन के फ़ौरन बाद शादी हो गई थी और उसकी अब 10th एनिवर्सरी आ रही है. वो कहती है कि मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब मैंने तो इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं की, कुछ भी नहीं किया. आई वॉज प्रेगनेंट एट माई कॉन्वोकेशन, व्हाट इज़ दिस? तो उसकी वो फ्रेंड कहती है कि ओ व्हाई डोंट यू बिकम a blogger, because blogger moms today are very successful. You don't have to step outside of the house to do something.
Sure.
You can do this. There is a home chef जिसको कहानियाँ लिखने का शौक है और वो जो है खाना प्रोवाइड करती है शूट्स के ऊपर. तो वो शूट के ऊपर जो ड्रामा शूट्स के ऊपर जाती है खाना देने के लिए, तो वो वहाँ के किसी लाइन प्रोड्यूसर मैनेजर से कहती है कि मैंने भी कहानी लिखी है और इसको अगर आप आगे बढ़वा सकें. So her story is that she wants to get like a script made into a drama. Now she is also on the set of a drama जिसमें एक actress है who wants to do meaningful roles. उसको नहीं थप्पड़ खाना टीवी के ऊपर जिसमें वो कहे कि आप ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं मेरे साथ. She wants to do like something.
But still get beat up all the same.
Yeah. And so she wants to do something more with her career. And then friend of the mom blogger is a working woman who's just had a child. And she says कि I want to leave my job for my child. Sure. Like she makes that decision. So these are all like 4 stories. Now we wanted to tell these stories because these are stories around us.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
Right? Yeah. And these are all stories जिसके अंदर ना किसी को depression है, ना कोई पिटता पिटाता है, ना किसी की शादी ख़त्म हो रही है. Because stories like this do take place in the Pakistani landscape. But we never get to see them in our Pakistani storyscape.
No.
तो हम बात कर रहे थे कि हम इन तरह की कहानियों को क्यों नहीं देखते. मेरी वालदा टीवी देख रही थी तो उसके अंदर कुछ बहुत ही absurd हुआ ना कि वो जो बड़ी बहन है वो
कोई उड़ना शुरू हो गया, नहीं जादू तो नहीं.
That would be far more palatable.
अच्छा.
But वो जो है उसके अंदर कुछ होता है कि वो जो बड़ी आपा होती हैं घर की, वो अपने siblings के साथ जो है ना बहुत बुरा सलूक करती हैं. She's like very हाँ, और फिर वो जिनको पसंद करती हैं उनको सारे पैसे दे देती हैं. वो दूसरी एक और पहले से शादी करके बैठे होते हैं. वो उनके घर जाती हैं जब as his बेगम, तो उनको कहा जाता है कि ये तो कज़न है मेरी जो मेरे साथ रहती हैं. And she buys it.
वो बोलती है
yeah, sure.
As you do.
The more the merrier. तो फिर and then of course she gets cheated out of her money और वो बेचारी अपनी sanity खो बैठती हैं. हाँ, this drama is like, and imagine this is just one out of the 100 that are made. तो मैंने किसी चीज़ पे कहा होगा कि क्या बकवास है.
Oh no.
And my mom was like कि लेकिन होता तो है ऐसे. So, and I was like, oh wait, होता तो है ऐसे, right? You can't discredit any of it because that does happen.
Yes.
And then I was like, अच्छा ये लोग भी वही कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं, हम लोग भी वही कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं जो चीज़ें होती हैं हमारे इर्द गिर्द. But then what is the difference? And it took me like a while perhaps to like stumble across a thought which sort of gave me more clarity.
Okay.
And it's like if you take a step back and you look at Pakistani content that's on TV right now. So divorce, domestic abuse and depression, that has become the identity of our Pakistani content. Like हम जब बात करते हैं इंडिया के फिल्म मेकर्स की, you take a name and then you know the kind of content they make.
Yeah.
You know the kind of stories they tell and you know the kind of aesthetic they have.
Sure. Yes.
Similarly, Turkish drama.
Yes.
Hollywood.
Yes.
European crime drama. Like you know what the aesthetic is, you know what the story
French
is.
cinema is just picking up now.
French cinema. A lot of my students watch Korean drama.
They do. Apparently it's a big deal.
Right? So every country has content with a very specific identity.
Yes. Their identity, yes.
Their identity.
Yes,
so our content की जो identity है वो बहुत ही depressing और तशद्दुद वाली है. So I think if we start thinking about, is this the kind of identity we want our content to have, and is that the kind of content other countries should or like we should be recognized for? I think the answer is going to be no.
The answer is going to be no.
Do you want
for depression? Yeah. मुझे लगा आप जो बात बोल रही थी उसके no, the answer to that should not be no.
नहीं
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक अगर हम इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा सोचें,
That's a beautiful thought. लेकिन मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि and generally देखो maybe अंगूर खट्टे, right? Maybe because मुझे original thought नहीं आता तभी मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ. But generally ना हमारे जो businessmen है quote unquote, they have this proclivity to mass produce. They do, right? Because they have the capacity to, and they have everything, right? The production capabilities, all those things. But they have the proclivity कि कोई if something works ना, take it, mass produce it, right? So for instance, let's take something that's very kosher, a kosher example, faded jeans, right? Faded jeans है ना, क्या हुआ? तू है, क्या हुआ? You right?
yeah.
Faded jeans, if you're cold, we can turn the AC off.
नहीं, हल्का सा चक्कर आया था.
क्यों खैर? हाँ?
होता है, that's fine.
अच्छा ला रहे हम करें.
It's the conversation.
It's profound. What can I do? What can I say? Just, कभी गुरु नहीं किया, alhamdulillah. तो if it's faded jeans ना, you just go crazy about faded jeans, right? But never make an original article of clothing or what have you. एक मैं मिसाल दे रहा हूँ, and I don't mean jeans makers. I don't want anyone to be upset with me, right? But I think drama industry में भी है कि अगर ये चल रहा है ना, so what's the goal? The goal isn't to create something of value. The goal is profit maximization.
Yeah, and I'm never going to trust a producer who says कि हमें पैसे नहीं बनाने, हमें ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनानी हैं.
नहीं.
You know, because that's not their job.
No.
I think I tell this story every time an opportunity I can like crucify this.
Yeah.
तो मैं जब जियो फिल्म्स में काम कर रही थी तो वो जाहिर सी बात है उसमें दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट भी थे, तो उसमें वो डिपार्टमेंट भी थे जिसमें ड्रामाज लिखे जाते थे, बनते थे. सो आई रिमेंबर दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन दैट आई वाज हैविंग विद लाइक माय टीम, और उसके अंदर हम फिल्म के नए बच्चे, हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है,
कल के बच्चे क्या सिखाएंगे
व्हाट आर वी डूइंग. तो वो हमें बताना चाह रहे थे कि टीवी का कंटेंट कैसे चलता है एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वो कहते हैं कि कहानी जारी होती है, जिस एपिसोड में थप्पड़ पड़ता है उसकी रेटिंग ये जाती है. एंड द थिंग इज दे हैव नंबर्स टू प्रूव इट.
ऑफ कोर्स, या.
सो अगर रेटिंग यूँ जाती है इसका मतलब है कि पीपल हैव वॉच्ड इट, राइट? सो आई थिंक इसमें सिर्फ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के ऊपर उंगली उठाना थोड़ा सा अनफेयर है. इट्स अ फार मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स cyclical situation.
Sure, without a doubt. Yes.
क्योंकि देख भी तो रहे हैं फिर लोग.
Yeah.
So who's going to stop first? Are we going to stop watching it first, or are we going to stop making it first?
The chicken or the egg?
Yeah.
I have no idea. But देखो ना, the problem is they absolutely have the numbers to back it up. How else would they be making a profit?
Yeah.
Right? So, but what I suppose artists like you and I might say is कि यार देखो वो actually crescendo है. Right? So you build up to a thapper. You build up to a happy marriage. And फिर वो happy marriage जब शादी होगी वो उस वाले उस पे or you build up to the guy buying a Ferrari. फिर Ferrari वाले episode पे जो है वो crescendo होगा. You know? Like I don't know, dude. Like I have and I remark quite often कि when I was 18-19 ना, I'm sure you can relate. 18-19 में you feel like you have all the answers. If you asked me why a certain thing is a certain way, I'd be like, Gul, this is your answer. You can pay me now via check, whatever, because I've given you the solution. And now, the older I get, the more I'm like, everything's just fucked. I'm just trying to hold it together. Nothing's happening. And, Pakistan's blacking out. And do you know what I mean? Like, I don't even know what's up. So I suppose before we call this podcast to a close, right? I think I'd be remiss if I did not ask you about your experiences in the pandemic, right? Because TV jo hai, it is entirely digital,
जी.
right? But you guys still go into the office and stuff, right?
Yeah.
But then your other profession generally educational institutions have struggled jumping on to digital,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So how was all that? I think that's a loaded question. You should ask that in the beginning.
But I think स्कूल से ही बात शुरू हुई थी और
जी,
स्कूल पे ही खत्म होने
देखिए
जा
बस-
रही है.
बस देखिए आप।
Structure,
बस
what
देख-
structure?
बस देखिए Red Bull
तो जो तीली का मैं
जी, जी,
पहले
जी,
जवाब
जी,
देती
जी,
हूँ.
जी, जी।
So that work was continuous. उसके अंदर I remember this happened in March. We were told to go back home for 2 weeks, and then we just stayed there for 5 months. We stayed home for 5 months.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो I think there was a little bit of structure to my day क्योंकि या फिर मेरे साथ जो 2-3 और लोग थे क्योंकि हमारी एक मॉर्निंग मीटिंग होती थी तो आपको उसके लिए तो उठना है और उसके लिए आपको चौकन्ना रहना है बिकॉज दैट नीड्स टू बी डिस्कस्ड. उसके अंदर सब नहीं आते थे. उसके अंदर जो एटलीस्ट 4-5 लोग आते थे.
Zoom meeting होती थी या you had
नहीं जूम मीटिंग होती थी.
Okay.
गूगल मीट पे हम जो है
जी, जी.
मिलते थे. आई थिंक उसमें व्हेन द पेंडेमिक हैपेंड हमारी एक स्क्रिप्ट बिफोर द लॉकडाउन लॉक हो गई थी. उसको शूट करना रहता था.
Oh wow.
तो फिर वो था कि अच्छा अब इसको शूट कैसे करें. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स वी हैड यू नो जो मास्क पहने, टेम्परेचर चेक्स हो रहे हैं.
Whatever you could do.
स्केलेटन क्रू पे आ गए थे हम.
सही.
तो जहाँ पे हमारे पास परहैप्स थोड़े से जो बड़े क्रू की जो लग्जरी होती थी वो भी इतना बड़ा नहीं होता है.
नहीं.
खामखा मैं बोल रही हूँ बट लाइक वो भी जो है ना बिल्कुल ही ट्रिम डाउन होकर स्केलेटन क्रू पे आ गए थे. Ideation became difficult. Brainstorming is something that
Happens like this.
it happens like this.
Yes, yes, yes.
अभी for instance like last week क्योंकि एक और second lockdown वो second wave के साथ फिर एक और lockdown आया. People turn up positive at work as well, right?
Oh, wow.
आप
अल्लाह रहम
तो
करे.
आपको फिर जो है जाहिर सी बात है यू नो आप घर पे बैठे 2 हफ्ते के लिए.
जी.
तो आई रिमेंबर आई मेट दिस पर्सन एंड ऐसे ही रैंडमली आई बाउंस एन आइडिया ऑफ देम एंड दैट वाज अ फार मोर प्रोडक्टिव conversation than a 20-minute, 30-minute meeting online.
I can believe that without any hesitation at all. Yes.
So
Yes.
काम हुआ, we had work, we found ways around it.
Sure, you had to.
But I am sure the quality was not what it would have been had we all been present in person.
So ये podcast जो है मैंने शुरू की थी लॉकडाउन के अंदर, right? And everyone's like, oh, so Zoom. I'm like, no. So I've taken all my savings and I've put it into a room. And they're like, in the lockdown. And I was adamant on this only. I was like, yeah, देखो, conversations happen like this.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
yeah.
Digital age and all those things, जब तक Elon Musk Neuralink नहीं बना लेता, तब तक conversations happen like this.
Running joke है यार.
जो है कैसा अच्छा. Conversations happen like this. Brainstorming happens like this. Profound messages are sent across like this.
Yeah.
गुफ्तगू ऐसे होती है.
Yeah.
Right? So we completely, absolutely agree with that. So you made it work, but you
Yeah.
guys are obviously happy to be back now. Are you back?
Yes, we are.
Alhamdulillah. That's
We are back at 50% capacity. तो हम जो हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट एक्टिव चल रहा है वेब सीरीज का उसके सारे लोग रोजाना आते हैं.
Are you at liberty to say
क्या?
what the web series is about? No.
Yes, the
Oh,
first
what?
episode is out.
Oh yeah, you
So I watch his content, he doesn't watch ours.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I live under a rock. यहाँ पे इंटरनेट नहीं आता है. नहीं आता seriously.
थे.
See, अच्छा चलें ठीक है.
नहीं
आज देखूंगा मैं इंशाल्लाह.
हम नहीं पाकिस्तान की जो ग्रिड है वो बहुत वो है कमज़ोर सी
जी.
एंशिएंट सी है.
जी. मैं तो फॉरेन में रहता हूँ आपको पता है. I've just been waiting to say that.
तो
फॉरेन में रहता हूँ.
yes
Because all of it is one thing and Pakistan is another thing.
I also love the word foreign में रहता हूँ, like this phrase.
Yeah.
I just love it.
So I use it as a hallmark of the fact that I am also a Mela. So I maybe O level city school में and then A levels में I went to Nixa and then Nixa is fine but O levels में I was in city school. And
St.
so
Pat's equally मेला.
हाँ जी. अच्छा.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा perhaps.
DK.
St. Pat's एक ही St. Pat's है.
अच्छा. But DK Darksha campus. Like I mean.
अच्छा सही.
You can't really.
अच्छा ठीक है, you win.
चलो, thank you. Yes. तो the people are like कि oh you know आप तो निक्सर में पढ़ते हैं and then I went बाहर तो आप तो बाहर पढ़ते हैं ये वो तो फिर मैं then I pull that out.
Also your foreign return also.
मैं फॉरेन में रहता हूँ भाई.
Yeah.
Foreign, and then I'm a foreign return as well.
Yeah.
And that couldn't cure my melanus. That was it.
Melanus can't be cured.
It's not. It's incurable, and
Yeah.
some people find it endearing. In fact,
Yeah.
yeah.
It is.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
नहीं, so हम बात कर रहे थे जस्ट मैरिड की बात कर रहे थे. दिस इज अबाउट ज़ैन एंड आयजा.
Okay.
आपने वेब सीरीज के बारे में पूछा था.
हाँ जी
नहीं, मुझे बहुत शौक है ऐसी
नहीं,
रैंडमली
please,
बातें
नहीं,
शुरू
मैंने
करने
बिल्कुल-
का,
नहीं, मैंने
लेकिन
बिल्कुल
ये
पूछा
सवाल था.
मैंने बिल्कुल पूछा था. You're not being random at all. I don't think you've been random. I think that's just false advertising because you've not been random throughout this podcast. You've been very direct and focused, and yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah.
Exercises worked. तो ज़ैन और आयजा के साथ एक बहुत ही लाइफ ऑल्टरिंग सिचुएशन हुई है, which is they've gotten married. So now they've moved into an apartment of their own.
Oh wow. वालदैन को छोड़ के.
Yeah. So every episode is about, a little problem that young couples might have.
Sure.
The first episode is both the mothers are there to help them move. तो अम्माएं फिर सामान देख रही होती हैं कि तुम ये भी फजूल खर्ची है, ये भी है, वो भी है. आयजा वर्क्स, ज़ैन वर्क्स फ्रॉम होम. तो उसमें ज़ैन की वालदा ही ज़ैन को टोकती हैं कि देखो अच्छा नहीं लगता ना कि बीवी घर से आती है काम करके तो वो अपने ऑफिस की कहानियाँ सुनाए और तुम यहाँ गुड्डा गुड्डी से खेल रहे हो बिकॉज ही हैज़ एक्शन फिगर्स एंड स्टफ. द सेकंड एपिसोड इज अबाउट देम होस्टिंग अ पार्टी.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Just the
तो-
conversations and all that.
Yeah, so उसमें so we want to show कि how do young people how do they socialize and hang
Sure,
out.
sure.
And we also want to show कि जब आप एक married couple हैं, regardless of what your age might be, आप कुछ चीज़ें भूल जाएंगे. आपको लगेगा कि आपकी जो सिग्निफिकेंट अदर है वो कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़ के इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश करिए. Why is that happening?
Sure.
So those tiny नोक झोंक्स.
गुल, एक मैं यहाँ पे मुझे ख्याल आया एंड मुझे जोर से आ रहा है तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So I do watch stuff on Netflix, right? And Amazon Prime पे मैं देख रहा हूँ The Expanse, and Netflix पे मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी French show है Lupin. Right? Yeah, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, वो
देख लेते हैं.
अच्छा मैं पूरा नहीं देखा, मैं सिर्फ दूसरे एपिसोड पे हूँ, right? Why is it?
Yes.
अब आप जब बता रहे हो, these stories seem like something that I absolutely want to consume. Why is it then that I have not?
So I think once again you have to go back to who the content creators are and who are they creating content for.
Sure. Okay.
So TV content, for instance, is being written not by millennials and Gen Zs,
Okay.
and that is why it is not being catered to
No, of
millennials and
course,
Gen
of course,
Zs.
of course.
अब चूँकि they reside more on their phones, or they are natives to digital, as we like to say.
Yes.
So that is where their content appetite is going to be satiated. वहीं पे उनको वो कहानियाँ मिलेंगी जो
हाँ.
जिससे वो उनको familiar लगे.
Sure. No, but so I absolutely want to consume it, but I'm not consuming it. You see what I mean?
No. What?
So
Oh, like you're like नहीं मुझे नहीं देखना just
नहीं,
married.
मुझे देखना तो है,
हाँ.
लेकिन फिर मैं क्यों नहीं देख रहा हूँ?
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
हाँ.
So is it? It's not on Amazon Prime and it's not on Netflix,
Yeah.
right? So is because so then is the medium the problem?
So I think it's not the medium that is the problem. It is still the
Stigma.
niyat at the moment. नहीं.
Stigma की ये देसी content थोड़ी देखूंगा मैं तो foreign में
नको,
रहता हूँ.
what?
नहीं.
नहीं.
वो नहीं होता
I
ना.
think नहीं. I think it's just the niyat in that moment. Like for instance, शुरू में मुझे भी थोड़ा सा confusion होती थी कि वेब सीरीज Netflix पे भी है, वेब सीरीज YouTube पे भी है. Like what is the difference? YouTube पे आपको 40 मिनट का French crime thriller नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay.
Right?
All
So YouTube is very something which can be consumed very quickly. कि आप खाना खा रहे हैं, मीटिंग में वेट कर रहे हैं, you have 10 minutes to kill, you have 20 minutes to kill.
एक वीडियो देख ली.
Yeah, I remember जब हमारी फर्स्ट वेब सीरीज आई थी समर लव के नाम से, 3 एपिसोड के बाद मेरा आई इन्फेक्शन हो गया था.
अल्लाह रहम करे.
एंड माई आई जस्ट बिकेम लाइक द साइज ऑफ अ गोल्फ बॉल. एंड उसके वजन से मेरी दूसरी भी नहीं खुल रही थी, उसके दर्द से दूसरी भी नहीं. सो आई वॉज लाइक ब्लाइंड. माई कज़न टुक मी टू द हॉस्पिटल और उसने हमारी ही वेब सीरीज़ की एपिसोड बैठ के वेटिंग एरिया में देखी है मेरे बराबर. मैं तो सिर्फ खाली बैठी हुई थी, मैं मेडिटेट कर रही थी और वो अपना शो देख रही थी. तो इट्स दैट क्विक कि आप एक हॉस्पिटल के वेटिंग एरिया में बैठ के देख रहे हैं. ऑन योर कम्यूट आप आराम से आपने देख लिया, खाना खाते हुए देख लिया. बट फॉर ल्यूपिन, बट फॉर द क्राउन, बट फॉर the break, you know, all of these.
You need to get in bed, turn your beat
Mahal.
solo on, dark room.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that I do that. I'm just saying koi hota karta hoga jo Zahir.
nahi, like, I've never heard of people doing that.
No, never.
But, you know, for like those bigger stories, you need like a mahal with you. So I think it is just that difference of
Sure.
niyat.
Yeah. That makes sense. That's interesting. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ये सोचता हूँ. For instance, so very recently I've been turned on to the music of the young Stunners, right? And they are fucking phenomenal, right? Just absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
And तो मैं जब छोटा था मैंने बोहेमिया के गाने सुने हैं, right? And बोहेमिया का logical progression I would argue is Farish Shafi, and then these guys, young Stunners, right? And I was like, why don't I consume this? Because I am an avid consumer of rap music, right? So this is what is my problem? And I suppose, excuse me, to some degree, I suppose मुझे ये feel होता है कि at least some of us are still in that whatever post-colonial mindset कि यार पाकिस्तान में बनाना कितना अच्छा हो सकता है. I think we need to start like changing that for sure.
There might be like there might be people who think that कि वो एक resistance, एक friction होती है कि you know.
ये local है ना, local माल है ना.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like with clothes, with everything, you're just like, you would prefer something from बाहर.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Foreign से.
हाँ. So उसके लिए I think so I have done like नहीं. I won't say I've done weird things because this is very lame. नहीं. So for instance, Twilight की किताबें एक ज़माने में आई थी.
जी.
Oh.
जी बिल्कुल आई तो थी.
तो and everybody started hating them.
Yes.
And I was like, I want to have I am pretty sure I'll also end up hating them, but I want to have an informed opinion.
Sure, okay.
Just because Qazi hates them, मुझे नहीं करना कि oh yeah, of course, like, you know,
yes,
shitty literature.
Yeah, sure, okay.
I want to know how shitty it is on its own.
Right, okay,
so,
on the merits of it.
Yeah.
Sure, okay.
So, मैंने खरीदी नहीं थी. मेरी सालगिरह थी, मेरी खाला ने कहा कि क्या चाहिए, and I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, buy me the first book of Twilight.
All right, okay.
So I read it, and then of course I hated it.
Of course, yes. As you
But
do.
at least I had an informed opinion.
Sure, that's interesting, yeah.
So, so same with 50 Shades of Grey also.
Yeah.
I wanted an informed opinion on why I should hate this or how problematic it is.
And you think generally we should inculcate that kind of attitude? Just
have an informed opinion, right?
Yeah,
so like if you don't think Pakistani content on digital is a legitimate source of entertainment or is going to be perhaps like a waste of time. एक वो भी होती है ना anxiety कि आपके पास 1 घंटा है या फिर 3 घंटे हैं. I want to watch something that is going to completely satisfy me.
Which is so interesting, right? Because nothing ever will. Why? Because opportunity cost, right? Because that old principle, right? Because the
you
thing
know
is,
this from philosophy, I know this from economics.
I also know A-levels में economics किया भाई.
हाँ. Oh अच्छा. मैंने सारी classes bunk की थी.
What? So what did you get? A-levels में क्या grades थे?
Oh no.
I mean, you have to. Logical.
I think so. I have genuinely forgotten, but I had 2 A's. एक literature में था. मुझे नहीं याद दूसरा general में था या sociology में था.
So I also took literature. So I took literature, economics, psychology, sociology, thinking skills. 5 subjects.
Okay.
Right? And I had B's across the board.
Okay.
Right? And I was very happy with
Consistency
that.
is key.
That's what I'm saying. You know, I'm average consistently. That was a little hard. पर हाँ, economics में opportunity cost, and the thing is, it will never be enough क्योंकि जितनी भी आप Godfather देख लें, ठीक है ना, आप वास्तव देख लें, is that better than आप Ludo देख लें, Ludo देखिए, beautiful movie, right? Ludo देख लें, is it, does it compare to every other movie on Netflix? It can't,
no.
right? And so it's a problematic thing to have that much choice, to have infinite choice.
Yeah,
right, almost.
Yeah.
You don't know how much is on Netflix. Everything's on Netflix.
Everything is on it, seemingly. But I think I like we can only encourage people कि इन्फॉर्म्ड ओपिनियन की आड़ में ही पाकिस्तानी कंटेंट देख लें कि लाइक बिफोर यू हैव दिस यू नो प्रेजुडिस के ओ लोकल है तो कितना अच्छा हो सकता है.
Exactly, because now some quality stuff is being made all around.
या विच वी ऑल्सो सी इन फिल्म्स राइट कि जब आप सिनेमा जाते हैं या
हाँ.
जब एक ज़माने में एक्टिव हुआ करता था सिनेमा
बिल्कुल.
तो आपके पास अगर 600-700 रुपए हैं
हाँ,
probability was you will end up watching either a film from Hollywood or Bollywood.
that's it. That's
right?
it. Yeah.
Although लगी भी एक पाकिस्तानी फिल्म आप तब भी जो है अपनी फिल्म नहीं देखेंगे.
And I'm guilty of this. I would not even consider it. I'd be like, I'll rewatch a Hollywood movie, but I will not.
But you know why I would watch it?
Why?
Informed opinion.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. And then you need to have it, right?
Yeah.
And the thing is, how important is this time when you're going to waste it in a cinema somewhere? So
Yeah.
then, तो फिर आप कोई भी देख लो.
Yeah.
Yeah. But sorry. So my original question was, how's then the pandemic been for the
Yes.
teaching? Yes.
Yes. So for
Remember.
teaching it has been terrible.
How terrible is terrible?
I think it has been terrible for students as well because जो आपका एक in-person learning experience होता है, that has been very compromised, heavily compromised when it comes, you know, in the
Sure.
form of a con call. I keep calling it a con call. Is there another word for classrooms?
I have no idea.
Classroom, I guess.
हाँ, classroom होता है.
Google Classroom.
अच्छा वो Zoom पे होता है board room? पता
Oh.
नहीं. I have no idea.
अच्छा.
No.
तो उसमें जाहिर
Two people employed in the tech sector. We don't even know.
Google
this.
Classroom.
Google Classroom.
this is what it's called.
Yeah.
तो वो जो है जाहिर सी बात है वो एक लेक्चर रिसीव करने में इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव करने में होती है प्रॉब्लम स्पेशली व्हेन दे हैव टू डू इट फॉर 5 आवर्स
Consecutively.
क्योंकि स्कूल आप टेक्निकली आपका स्कूल ऑनलाइन आ गया है. अब अगर अब
That's
मुझे
difficult, yeah.
हाँ अब मुझे नहीं पता कि मैथ कैसे सिखाई जा रही है बट एटलीस्ट माई लेसन इज़ वेरी डिस्कशन बेस्ड
Mm-hmm.
और ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वो डिस्कशन मेरी क्लास में से तो हट गया है. सो नाउ आई हैव टू लाइक इंडिविजुअली आस्क स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चंस अदरवाइज दे डोंट पार्टिसिपेट. एक ये भी बिहेवियर है कि आप ऑनलाइन नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करते.
नहीं, you don't
फिर-
want. Yeah. No.
फिर एज अ टीचर माई फियर इज़ कि इज़ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन एक्चुअली लैंडिंग
Sure, of course. I mean,
राइट.
Yeah.
तो क्योंकि होमवर्क नहीं करके आते बच्चे फिर क्लास से निकल जाते हैं. तो शुरू में आई थिंक वो एक प्रॉब्लम रही थी बट देन द ओनली वे टू गेज वेदर दे गेटिंग इट और नॉट इज़ कि आप उनसे फिर आंसर्स लिखवाते हैं जो पार्ट ऑफ उनका करिकुलम है एंड इफ़ इट्स अ करेक्ट आंसर और एज क्लोज टू अ करेक्ट आंसर एज पॉसिबल यू नो कि इट्स लैंडिंग. इसमें आई थिंक बच्चों ने जो आपका ऑनलाइन लर्निंग सिस्टम था मे बी दे वर क्विक टू अडेप्ट टू इट बिकॉज दे आर फेमिलियर विद द टेक्नोलॉजी.
Sure. Okay.
I believe your younger teachers were also familiar with the technology. That is why they were quick to adapt to it.
alhamdulillah,
जिस तरह
हाँ.
क्योंकि हमारी कॉन कॉल्स रेगुलर डेज में भी होती थी
Say.
तो यू नो फॉर मी दिस वाज जस्ट लाइक अनदर कॉन कॉल विद 12 स्टूडेंट्स.
Sure.
योर ओल्डर टीचर्स.
Must have been.
सो जब हम लॉकडाउन जब शुरू हुआ था तो आई रिमेंबर वी डिड लाइक अ मंथ ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस और उसमें बच्चे बस अपने जो फाइनल क्रिटिक थे वो ले रहे थे. तो इट वाजंट लाइक वी डिडंट गेट द रियल पिक्चर ऑफ व्हाट ऑनलाइन टीचिंग वुड बी लाइक. फिर वेकेशंस आ गई. फिर जब स्कूल शुरू हुआ है स्कूल शुरू हुआ है ऑनलाइन और फिर जब सेकेंड वेव से थोड़ा पहले लिटरली एक वीकेंड पहले हम लोग स्कूल में गए थे और वो था कि हाइब्रिड लर्निंग सिस्टम होगा कि हाफ ऑफ इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑनलाइन हाफ ऑफ इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन पर्सन.
That's. Yeah.
Now people know the school I teach at, so this is like a very anchored story.
Yes.
But I remember there was a teacher in front of me. तो हमारे 2-3 सेशंस हुए कि इस तरह से सिस्टम होगा ये होगा वो होगा. फिर IT वाला आया और उसने कहा कि आपको पहले यहाँ पासवर्ड लगाना होगा फिर आपको यहाँ जाना होगा ये करना होगा. उसने ID पासवर्ड दिया. मेरे सामने एक टीचर बैठी हुई थी. उन्होंने मुझसे जब सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया उन्होंने मुझसे पलट के पूछा कि so she pointed to the ID password like an older teacher and she said ये मुझे कहाँ डालना होगा मुझे कहाँ प्लग इन करना होगा. So and all of a sudden you know I'm thinking oh wait older teachers are going to struggle with this. Who is like do we have a lab technician next to them
At all times? No, of
no
course
we
not.
don't.
No.
If they're going to be teaching from home do they have people at home helping them out with this? So you know this has been challenging on multiple levels.
Sure.
For students different, for younger teachers alag, for older teachers alag. And it's not कि क्योंकि पढ़ाने में भी मज़ा आता है, right? Teachers who like teaching.
Of course.
Right?
Yeah, I think so.
पढ़ाने में मज़ा आता है when you have a student who understands what you have taught them, उसमें एक success feel होती है.
Yes. Yes.
Now, all of a sudden, all of that experience, all of that, all of those confirmations are gone.
Yes. Yes.
So it has been tough.
It's not been easy.
I don't think so anybody has enjoyed teaching online, and I don't think so anybody has enjoyed learning online.
No, I would agree with you. I would have to agree with you.
However,
Yes.
if this is successful, it opens up so many opportunities for enrolling in universities that are not in your country.
Sure.
So it is challenging.
Yes.
It's a bit of a learning process.
Yes, must be.
But but if we like overcome it,
Yeah. नहीं तो मेरे ख्याल में
or if we tolerate it for,
बर्दाश्त ही करना है
हाँ.
तो अल्लाह रहम करे but so the struggle of the elderly with technology से एक मुझे कहानी याद आती है. मैं जब शुरू में कनाडा में गया था before I started studying university में मेरा जॉब जो था I was customer support and tech support and accounting. इतनी वो कॉस्ट कटिंग कर रहे थे कि मुझे 3 पोजीशन साथ दे दी थी फॉर बेल विच इज़ लाइक द बिगेस्ट टेलीकम्युनिकेशन प्रोवाइडर इन कनाडा. ठीक है. ऑल द 80% of the calls, 80% of my volume of calls that would call into me would be elderly men and women who would just be confused by technology. Right? तो कभी उनका डेटा ओवरेज हो गया होता था. Sometimes they couldn't access their email address, and I would sit there and I would make Gmail email IDs for them.
yeah.
Gmail IDs for them कि भाई कोई issue नहीं है, I'm right here and this and that. And it gave me an appreciation for stuff that I take for granted, which is we always had emails. Like, do you remember not having emails?
Yeah.
सही है, अब फोन पे मिलता है. So you and I are old enough. How probably is it? You and I are old enough कि एक ज़माना था फोन पे नहीं आता था email.
बिल्कुल.
Right? But email तो होता था ना.
Yeah.
But there are people that have just been left by the wayside, and I don't know. It bothers me.
Yeah. And it has been. Sorry, आपका आखिरी सवाल था, लेकिन और गुफ्तगू आगे बढ़ गई.
अब तो आपका टाइम अप हो गया.
नहीं. In case like we were not supposed to continue beyond that question, but I'm assuming no.
Speak as much as you want.
I was going to tell you about my father. So my father was in merchant navy for a very long time. फिर उनको I think हमेशा से उनको भी पढ़ाने का और पढ़ने का शौक था, तो वो अभी तक पढ़ रहे हैं और पढ़ा रहे हैं. उन्होंने
awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's an
boy.
amazing person.
Yeah, must be.
उन्होंने किया हुआ है MPhil in speech pathology.
Oh God.
बड़े मजे की चीज़ है.
That's brilliant, yeah.
तो वो कभी कभार हमें शुरू में जब पूरा एक्सप्लेन करते थे कि आवाज़ जनरेट कैसे होती है, डिफरेंट तरह की आवाज़ें कैसे आती हैं, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ऑल द मैकेनिक्स ऑफ इट. सो यू कुड सी दैट क्लियरली, लाइक हिज मैकेनिकल इंक्लिनेशंस आर सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अप्लाइड हियर. ट्रांसफरेबल स्किल्स किसी ने कहा था उसको. इट मेड सेंस. सो नाउ पहले वो लेक्चर्स इन पर्सन देते थे, अब उनको भी जो है ऑनलाइन पढ़ाना पड़ा.
And he must not be enjoying it at all.
तो वो शुरू में तो नहीं. I think, and he's the sort of person who also like enjoys like being in front of people, and like people also enjoy being in his presence. He's great company. तो अब जिस तरह जब उन्होंने जूम पे जब पढ़ाना शुरू किया, तो वो कहते थे कि यार जूम पे कैसे पढ़ाते हैं, वो तो कोई एक सवाल पूछते हैं तो आवाज़ कट जाती है, ये जाता है वो जाता है. And the answer was very simple, because we do this on our calls, and this was part of our classroom protocol also कि आप सब लोग म्यूट कर दें. But clearly उन तक ये बात नहीं पहुंची थी. So it was just that. So like अगर आप like they were, for him it was a big problem कि आवाज़ कट जाती है, हर कोई एक साथ बोल रहा होता है, या हर मतलब किसी के वहाँ पे बच्चा रोया या पतीला कहीं गिरा तो एकदम से जो है वो आवाज़ आपकी कट जाती है. So like tiny problems like that. And then of course he was like, I want like a separate camera for my. I was like, just use your laptop ka camera. But he went full fancy.
Did he?
Very extra. My dad's very extra also.
He must
So
be.
so like like what was a very big problem for him was a very small thing for me.
Nothing for you, yeah. Yeah.
तो and an uncle of mine, वो अपने मोहल्ले में बता रहे थे कि कोई professor साहब हैं, he's been teaching for like 40-50 years. Excellent at what he teaches.
Mashallah.
Cheats. But all of a sudden when he had to teach online, he was struggling. So, you know, आपकी जो पढ़ाने की skill set है वो एक है, और ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने की स्किल सेट क्लियरली अलग है.
Clearly अलग है, yeah.
तो वो ये भी नहीं है कि अगर आप एक इन पर्सन अच्छे लेक्चरर हैं तो आप ऑनलाइन भी जो है उतनी ही स्मूथ सेलिंग होगी आपके लिए.
And just existing in this digital age and stuff.
Yeah.
Behral, Gul, it's been fantastic having you. I don't know why you were worried, because I do remember you're like, I'm a little nervous. I'm like,
Because yeah, वो तो अभी जब निकलूंगी मुझे फिर होगा कि मुझे ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. Oh, I could have said this differently. Overthinking.
I think you were wonderful. I really do. And I don't just say that. मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ जैसे कोई गेस्ट अगर अच्छी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ तो यार आपने क्या बकवास है किया आपने यहाँ पे. नहीं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I've been blessed with wonderful guests so far.
Yeah, lovely podcast. Like I've listened to so many of them, and it's just because they're such interesting conversations, and that I feel like you find people who are very eloquent in how they convey whatever they're
No,
तारीफ करते वक्त ही मुझे सारे अल्फाज भूलने.
नहीं. They're just good people, alhamdulillah, and I'm just fortunate that they come on and they give me the time of day. Honestly, that's what it is. And but Behral, you've been wonderful, and
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here, and I would love to have you on again whenever you have time. तब तक मैं वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा कंटेंट कंज्यूम करूँगा इंशाल्लाह. सही ना. And
No, I would love to be back.
that'd be wonderful.
और चप्पड़ करने के लिए.
यार देखिए ये मेरा काम है, इसको तो क्या है यार. Anyways, गुलज़ेब काजी अकबर वहाब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.